people think they can earn money through forex exchange, which is the most complex thing, after Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. See, trading in forex on unregulated platforms like Xness, OctaFX, Robotex will not only make you financially, weak, but it can also land you in legal trouble, because such platforms are unregulated and they do not follow the guidelines and the framework set up by SEBI or RBI. See, you should not trade in forex, and especially on such platforms. If you want to trade in forex, if you cannot resist yourself, from the charm of foreign exchange, then there are certain platforms which comply with the regulations of SEBI, like Zerodha, ICICI Direct, and there are a couple more. See, such platforms, first of all, such platforms which doesn't come under the ambit of SEBI, they're not answerable to you. They offer you high leverage, and once you take high leverage, then the your loss gets amplified. See, making money through trading is not easy. If it was such easy, then everyone must have stopped studying and must have involved themselves into the field of trading. See, trading is not easy. It's not difficult. See, there's a thin line between both the perception. uh, if you cannot make money in Indian market, Nifty 50, or by trading Indian stocks, do you think you can make money by trading forex, which is much more complicated? The answer is big no. Yes, there are certain pairs which SEBI has allowed you to trade, like Indian US dollar, Indian Great Pound, and ISD, ISD EUR. There are certain pairs on which you can trade, and you can get the result as per your analysis. But there are some exotic pairs which are big no, like USD and Canadian dollar. Such pairs are not allowed, are not allowed to be traded. So yes, if you want to trade, there are some exceptions, some currency pairs which you can trade. But I'll say, if you cannot trade money, if you cannot make money in Indian market, which is regulated by SEBI and which complies with the framework, national framework by FEMA and SEBI and RBI, then you cannot make money in forex. Forex is much more complex. So study, study, inculcate, discipline, integration, and stability in your chart reading. You know, you should start with, before trading, you should start with investing. And once, if you can observe that in a span of a year or two you're profitable, then you can shift to trading, like future options or derivative or whatever. But before that, until unless, you should not follow such fraud or quack financial advisors, people not foolish, who are starting, who are investing their time, in becoming engineer. See, every engineer, doctor, CA, whatever. See, everything is not meant for everyone. Try once, twice, or 3 years in a row. But consecutively, if you're facing loss, uh, your analysis is not on point, then you should quit and you should divert your path to somewhere else. Okay, so forex is a scam. It's a big no.